Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to use the programmable buttons on your Mitel office or class phone to be able to create things like a speed dial or other programmable keys on your phone for your use. Let's take a look. Alright, so here is a perfect example of an office or class phone that you typically will have, and within your office or class phone you should have a few different pages. You'll have three dots on the bottom. You have a few different pages that you could toggle in between to set up any sort of shortcut buttons, such as a speed dial. So I have one that's open right here for a do not disturb. Once again, this is not touchscreen, so that doesn't do anything besides make fingerprints, so it's FYI. But if what you want to do is take their finger and put it down on this button and hold down for as long as possible until this pops up. Here this was a feature for other features that I was using, but your most common one's gonna be speed dial. So I'm gonna use this to toggle and press the middle button to get to the speed dial. Here you can provide yourself a name and a number. So I'm gonna do that really quickly. All right, so now that I have the name, I'm just gonna go in and type in the extension number. And then last but not least, I'm gonna scroll down and hit save. Because if you look at this, it has pause, flash, some other things here. So I'm just go one down and hit save. And now on my speed dial list, I'll have all of the people I pretty much contact quite often, and you will have all the people you contact as well. Enjoy.